Honey,
Yeah.
what are you trying to do?
Set the fucking time. Goddamn thing.
Are you having a little bit of difficulty there?
I am.
What's the matter? Why can't you set it?
Fucking piece of shit is what?
It's a little dollar store timer. The instructions are right here.
It broke already.
Here, read the instructions. What does it say?
Do not mix new and used batteries. Oh wait, no, that's right. Set hour. Number of pushes on A button. 4. Then what do you fucking do?
Okay, push the A button 4 times.
Fucking try.
Show me what you're trying to set.
So here's A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fuck off. Wait, it was 4. 4. No, wait. No.
Did you set the time?
I don't think I'm.
What does the time say?